To use Apple Pay and remove a card, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. This app is where you can manage all your credit and debit cards, as well as other passes and rewards. Once you have the Wallet app open, tap on the card you want to remove. This will bring up the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, tap on the three dots or the info icon in the top right corner of the card. This will take you to the card details page. From here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Remove this card. You will then be asked to confirm that you want to remove the card. Tap Remove to confirm. This will remove the card from Apple Pay and you will no longer be able to use it to make payments. It is also possible to remove a card from Apple Pay using the Settings app. To do this, open the Settings app and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap on the card you want to remove and tap on Remove this card. You will again be asked to confirm that you want to remove the card. Tap Remove to confirm. It is worth noting that removing a card from Apple Pay does not actually cancel the card. It simply removes it from the Wallet app. If you want to cancel the card, you will need to contact the card issuer. Best practices for using Apple Pay and removing cards include regularly reviewing your cards and removing any that are no longer needed, keeping your device and Wallet app up to date, and being mindful of your card details and security. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily remove a card from Apple Pay and keep your Wallet app organized and secure.